Cho, kama simthandela abamthandela bambiza ngayo simthandelene nawe. Umthandeli ngombiza ngayo simthandile fethu. Cha. Double problem less, double wise and SS. Come on, officer one for the young one ngiphendile. Double shit. Welcome to the hottest cast, you understand? This is just like us, understand right now. Because Gomorrah, if you know sekas lako any cast, you understand it's not about Gomorrah only. Any cast, you understand? Chilile ngithi ngishala amajiti around mabuzi bawobani ngiphethe ubani nobani siqala kayi. Umphumdala uqala kayi. Just the oldest.
Choppers benge. Injalo kanjalo nanjalo bafithu. Ibo labafana.
Injalo ke.
Kamala molovuyo bafithu. Mara bangazi ngo double dolly. Naba sexaxa makufika amawele. Kanjalo.
Cho. I the youngest.
Yeah, sure bafithu hayi nawo yini wash. Ya sure bafithu bekane la nikhuluma novuyo bafithu ya double dolly. Yazi ubo. Kobona.
Njalo 6 double fit is a double problem, double dolly. 100. See bafethu. Okay, uthi umdala fethu.
So man now ngiyafakile look.
No, you have to know we are youngest, bro.
Hayi, see.
And the first born. Ke flop ya speed le. Ya speed le ekuthola indala ba. Yes. Hard. Fair. Okay, bafethu today story ngangani ngombuzo imbuzo ukhambani. Fela interview siyabuzana ngisalo ihora eTegas bafethu understand. Dume ngani. Ngizoqala ngayo nje. Umuntu ongamazi explainele nje in 5 words. Wathi ubani? In 5 words uzo explain nje mina ngubani ngenzani. Ngikhuleka you understand.
Mina bafethu vele mina ngoba sengishilo vele ngolovuyo ngaziwa ngo double dolly.
Yeah.
Ngomajayivane. Ngi-event organizer.
Yeah.
Ngithona. Yeah, feed. Mangifuna feed uzongithola kuma social media. Double dolly Eben.
Okay.
Yeah, double Eben.
Okay. Unubani face le youngest?
Eish. Ha beka mina ngovuyo neba feature.
Yeah.
Ngovuyo. Ngazi ngo double dolly ngithola. Feed ngithola.
So like us abantu ngicabanga banazi ngani.
Abadikas basazi ukujiva ngithola sidume ukujiva feed ithabo madansana ngithola zikho esifana nathi
Azikho. Akekho umuntu ofana nabanye. No umuntu ofana nawe le eduze kwami ngaphandle kwami. Ayifa yikho yena yi. Okay fair. Yafetha ngathi. Okay bafethu umdanso noqale nini kanjani? You understand ngifuna sibuyele eNkarabhi because since naziwa ngomdanso asiqale ngento naziwa ngayo. Noqale kanjani umdanso naziwa kanjani ngomdanso yini enenze like yini enidansisile because kunamanye abantu ababhaya mfethu bafuna ukuba ama rapper yo what's going on man you understand ngisho ngalesa sikhathi sabo 2015 2016 wonke umuntu ebefuna ukuba uMT ngesasikhathi yabo so yini niqale nini ukujiva qala
thina
which language nikhuluma bafethu Zulu Xhosa Zulu
sakhuluma macala la yeah ukujiva feed siqala ukujiva sina living as 2015 if I'm not mistaken somewhere there 2015 ukuze siyojiva vele like kunomuntu meka inspire mara sijiva naye no Scalochi sho bamkena
Scalochi inkinga lo fethu inkinga Scalochi problem Scalochi inkinga shiso Scalochi la sas
layishukumisa ngalezi enkathi mfethu nanu sayishukumisa
fair
so uyo umuntu mesibhekela kuye ngithola
okay so niqala na 11 nizibona ngani bani yakhona ukujiva or is because of Scalochi ngasasikhathi bedume ngane ngasasikhathi because mina ngimcaba yabo ngasasikhathi mina ngiyamcaba no but ngasasikhathi ngathi yini bimenza uba afike emehlweni unina level
ukujiva fele kunenye sihlala na yikasi ngithola eJarden lethu bathi uthabanga yabo fele le group leader yethu fele besibona okay ijive yabo besinokuya emareza lwabo ngithola masifika fele la Scalochi sambona khona ukhondema yabo umuntu nje umuntu hype umuntu ophaphayo ngithola man ufuna ukubona yamakanzi izinto ngithola sabona shukuma sikhondemile ngithola sikhondema shothi sifucked up ingqondo ukuthi man ngithola from there
so beside ukujiva yiphini into enikhona ukuyichuna like yini beside ukujiva yini ngenato yazini beside ukujiva bafethu this is another talent enikhona ukuyichuna
elinye talent anje amaliko thina ngokuthi into beside ukujiva into ngathi siplan ngayo ikasi into eningincane thina so ama event njengoba thina sama member 1 we-Costa Day.
Okay. Seyikhona or iqala ngani?
Like lento icale ngathi like
so if I want to make a big event Alex, I have to talk to you guys.
Collaborate then sikhuluma nama-agents esipanisana nawo sibatshele bafethu uGhost nangu bafethu Costa so sithini-ke thina-ke sivumelane nabo ama-agents.
So ngifuna sibuyelele emuva bafethu, angithi siqale manje, angifuna senzeni kahle, understand? Nikhulela Van, nikhulela Ijos, right? Alexander from Alex. Okay, feel sifuna siyena kahle abantu umuntu onganazi anazi fandi onazi athola history ngoba enhle kabi bobana amadabuli, understand? So manje khona ngiyambona Scalo yashisa nani ngiqala into yeni, understand? Ubani umuntu kune video engitrendisile or kunomuntu onrealizile bafaka labafana bayashisa or kune movement eniyithunile niba nevele emehlweni abantu, yini into enayenza i movement ukuba nevele emehlweni abantu? You understand?
Shuthi mina no work ukuze sicafe betrend Alexander ngithola it was kunasesikhathi field yazi bekubanke igela zabantu mfethu ngithola sambe so banka kuphi
kune video ekhona nibhanke
ngithola lesibanke kuphi online eRussia ngithola la ukhile ngithola eRussia field nabo macala ngithola kunabo maJivan lapha eRussia bo manje babona ukuthi abobana bomaJivan la kumele bavula istage ukuthi manje thina ngeke sivule istage ekhaya la ngithola afile bazivula istage mara ekugcine kwaba ekhaya lethu basasiona lesasibona ngokujala. Sayishikomisa lapha ilasa xavuka khona ukuthi kunalentwana lezi ama-twins ngithola lapho khiya ama-street bash amele siye lapha sifike lentwana yami sidumisa abantu
phakathi
sidumisa abantu abantu bahlanye igrand babona lezi zinhle kabubani lezi bafika lapha sifike sithele lentwana yami sithele
nasifika khona hayi Sashaya. Ngithothisa lento esidume ngayo mfethu sojabulisa abantu.
Okay manje niyabhanga isigela ilesa sigela kuphela nakubhanga kuso or manje bhanga isigela to scale niyabhanga nifike ni-operate
ilesa sigela
phela
lezi zinya ngeke ngisho ebhekilanga yasike sana siphi ayibhekilanga mengasibhanka feed singenile feed like ishempa hla izithu ngathi kuyi-event something
something so nibenkeleza via scale
thina sikeleza Minerva nje
so le Minerva iphethe amathalente boss wonke umuntu usuka kanaba
sikeleza Minerva
Minerva sure because besiphumele
wonke umuntu kare le talent isuka ka Minerva abantu ababhaya basuka ka
Minerva iphethe talent hayi asike isigela for Minerva iliphethe amatalent
because angakahlane outlet isuke ebhekilanga yona understand
abona lezi boceda ukushine
izinto ninoke nonke kanene njiva nonke afira iMinerva nayo yes nami ngiseminerva kanjalo ku
hayi msimphethe uyakhanya dlala
no okay kunenzelana amantombazana wa request kanza ayawona you understand so afira safuna sibuyele kule career besides ya kwezinye izinto. Okay manje niyachuna nginegela together niyashutwa kara i-video kule video iphuma ya crack isekhona online
hayi nisekhona
freeze ngisendele kara you understand kune video online yakutrena 100 esigela sena khona niyajiva ngihlunga khona
hayi isigela vele mina
bese isigela benisilawula vele so
hayi Minerva
bekuyini no 100 ekasi manje ngasasikhathi nithini niseyi group or kuseyini kuphela
misuke ebenpantulas feed ebenpantulas singene vele 2017 vele sishukumisa
yini abokuqala abasano under i-Apple
before nje bangaya ama-agents
beqalwe ngani afira because bekunesikhathi la I thought maybe uScaro usinisibana Scaro Kalush. I thought it was brother in a way because I swear bro. Yeah. Ngasasikhathi benganiqavi I was like okay let's offer because benokuthuna ama event maybe I don't know kunepansula wa 15 you understand. So I was like ngivaye kara ngifeng operate nyana ngicheck fere ngibona ngithi okay le icova intwana zakhe yafaka kayi but mangizwa ngabantu bathi no I understand but nimthatha as a big brother though
vela Rodman lethu lela
Rodman lethu okay I feel so feel esigele lifestyle esigele bengoyeneziphi nina eyiphi lifestyle wena monga explain because of obvious esigele kunabantu esigele benikwe yeziphi benithunana esigele understand weyiphi wena esigele ngokuyibona kwakho bese ngiqala ngi-explain bengiyiphi mina esigele nesigele bengilethulile understand lena ethulile emayizile understand engafuni ukuba around kayi mara redexele yaphumela ihleli nabantwana abancane 100 amatopazana nyana izincanyala bogela but in the same time ngifuna ukubonakala bayi le incane bogela you understand in the same time nami ngifuna ukukhupha ora yangu bayi engafuni ukuba ile out etholakalayo mina bengafuni ukuba abantu mangalala naye abantu manje yawazi amantombazana ase account banama lo ngalala naye isende lakhe wara no guys you know but I was like ngafuni ubigama lami destroy kanjalo namanje se clean igama lami yeah if you can ask any girl in Alexa sewulale nokosi you understand because I know umntana ngilale naye she will never talk you understand she will never talk because guys naye akafuni ukukhulunywa yabo so I was trying to understand bengilo out there relax let's get ibajabula makuphuma isikolo understand lifestyle yami ngihleli kana nami ngifuna ukuba i-rapper yabo so wena ubuyiphi esikele
nami mfethu ngizothi ngifana nawo mfethu mengilethulile mfethu njalo ngiyatshela
ucavi yo ucavi okay ubulethulile esikele
yeah mengilethulile mara mengivane namajensi aspita because feel nami vele like abantu bebangazi ngokujiva ngithola so mebazi ukuthi la relaxile feel obviously nginale kwahamba asho ukuthi kulezi zithu kunalespita
kunalethulile feel ubule to be honest la ngiyakuvumela karama ubule pholile ayilena
esikela
lethanda ukubona
esikela feel mengasinto mina ngathi ngibheke kuyo kakhulu
yakwakho wena ubuye yife esikela yazi into engimakaza yi1 bengicabangile nehothi kanti intwana sana ubani wena
abafile washo ukuthi ngikhuta mina yazi isikela mfethu bengile fucked up yabo ngakho yazi isigeleza sonke class ngithola bengile ukuthi manje ngiyabank isikela ngithulile sometimes ngithola ngispeeda ngoba nginalezi ngithola makafili bengi outegren mara yazi isikela isifeature abanye abantu
abarong understand I feel like isikela to me the way bentu ngakhula emehlweni nami like emehlweni nami the way ngakhona I was like coolest kids you know and manje as a coolest kids you don't want to be rude to anyone you understand ufuna uba trend kumuntu wonke so and manje lezi corrupt esigela ziyanchuni at le so sifuna manje unithini base side in le so awuna choice ukuthi ngifuni mina no baba now so we are coolest kids you understand yes coolest kids we have to chill with us you understand I feel like bekunto enjalo you understand
it's corrupt yazi ukuthi manje vele mina since sikeleza from time name ngithola ukule ukuthi manje angithi yazi high school benjalo bebakhona labo bagojisana into thina mina eside nambe ngisho ukuthi ngifuna ukuzibona lezo zitsaqwajisa ke
yeah ubule ncane igura ne so bekunento ke yathunakale Alex ku scheme wara beninge na scheme like as a scheme
ayimfana kakhulu
uGrever ngiyayisho ukuthi sikesawa ne scheme like sisibize nangegama hayi
but benine because I remember
miso abantu like isibloma samajita mfethu
like I don't know if inside tuna lento benivele by 8 babo or 9 nevele niqindi
uKrever njalo ischeme isikhona njalo because okay thina ne njengomaqala asho ukuthi besiphuma yazi kasi mfethu kuyavuka lezi zinto lezi zikimi ukuthi manje basukela emaqala yazi nebhayithu rest in peace bafethu Saddam bafethu
Saddam kana mengene nga under Saddam bafana baka Saddam yes le destroyela nini bafana baka Saddam wale tona lezi destroyela lesifethu Saddam
manje la uthi la shit manje bayisukela thina sisiblomela samanje yazi noma ungasukele one so sukuma sonke sokulayita sokushaya yabo mara bengasho ukuthi manje sizibiza ngescheme yena uSaddam uyayivusa lento le scheme ukuthi manje sisizibiza ngamarasha
afile
manje yazi izinto lezi afile lesasikhathi siya
bezisipana vele emotion yazi bikho
thola mase sikagwazwana mfile mina bakazi bangigwaze bangibamba into
ngithola the never ngabe ku scheme yes next
awenza kahle
next yazi ngabe like dog I don't know dog
lesijole emakaswabo labantu
Isigura nabo, understand?
So check-ke bokubambe khona.
Understand?
Abasenzela
Yeah. I feel 100. I don't know how, but mangizwa ngabantu abanaziyo bathi ngeke nazama ukushaya music anyway. I don't know omnye wenu or no2, but khona kwashaya piano. I don't know ubani abeshaya piano or benishaya piano no2.
Yimi nje
Ubuhlungu epiano.
Yeah, obvious. Yazi mfethu mama uqala uyazi izinto mawukhuluma nama-gents.
Yeah.
Wabona fele kunale the 10-1 abo Rogers.
Yeah.
Umuntu like ngithi ngicale nayo ukucula ngithola.
Uqale no Rogers.
Yeah.
Rogers.
Kanjalo.
For the right side bathi Rogers uqale yonke lento.
Yeah, uRogers fele
Yeah. Because I remember kune stage la Rogers ebeshaya kathi kwi freestyle noboto. I don't know kunekhona la iqembe khona wathi yeah Ntosi wathi shaya freestyle.
Ngalelela ashaya mina futhi nale video.
I feel. So
Mara music man nakimi ngasinto engatheni.
Sasa ngifuna interview no Rogers eyi1. Ngithola sangamfaka Zoyithola ngifuna Rogers eyi1 because I feel like yonke into iqala va Rogers. Rogers. So lelo Rogers umane mention abantu bangamboni yabo leyo.
Yeah, vele ubomculo wakhe
Into yakhe.
Uqala kudala before nami ngithi ngizojoin music.
Yeah.
Feel ngazincane like uncane music into yakhe.
Pop boy. Hip-hop. So anize nafuna ukurap or something. Anize nafuna ukurap.
Mina mengishala nje ipiano mfisi.
So manje mangathi freestyle nyana ayikho favorite lines okwashaya life yakho bale. You know what? Angisayithule impahla ne. But kune line la ngithi yazini lama line lawo ngisakhala ngawo. You understand? Kuna amanye ama line ntona yamumoli bese. So manje mind ukushaya freestyle nyana your favorite verse.
Angeke ngikwazi ukuyishaya no ngithola. Kuzodlala ingoma khona lana ngithola.
Ama copyright
hayi khulile.
As operator copyright. Wala yethu sifuna imali sephezulu. Ubukala noma ads bafethu. Operator ngafuna. But bengafeza freestyle ntona yami understand ngenzela banami besafe. You understand because YouTube is straight.
Ngizovela ngishaya freestyle le ngoma le.
Yeah, yona.
Engingangihleki lapho nina ngithola.
Yeah,
hayi ngomajiva ne.
Ngomajiva.
Ekhuzeka vuka amalambani shiya
phansi. Bambi mic ubheke kana icamera ngiyafeza.
Ubheke lapha icamera.
Bambi mic ubheke.
Oh, wazi njani lento? Khuzekani vuka amalambani shiya phansi uzobatha 2 double dolo khwaza left and right ntombaza idela kufita kala nentwana ekhushuku shobopho phondo sisunga wari sazulu isikhathi masifika sojabula ekwatisi tsafeli fili lizojike mamela seyisuki injalo kanjalo nanje
Ngabe manje sendiyazi.
Lakhala ku.
Feel 100 that shit though. Manje uyekeleni music because it seems like you have something. And ucava abantu abatshuna music that.
Yeah, feel ngipusha nawo manje nginama track nama gents feel mara mangaphumi just misashaya nje.
100.
Ubile nto leya yabo bakhondema ngithola ngena
ngena manje music mengathi umnteni
mina
ngicane ukujive.
Yeah, funa yazi sometimes the life ngifuna ukuyazi pattern yakho mina ngifunana life. Ungathwari because of umuntu yabamba manje yafa ufuna ukujive abantu bayajive ufuna ukujive nawo. Because nami life ngangafuna balipantsula nje yami yabo. Mina ngivula amasekela la. Manje benivula amasekela kaRam mfethu bengifuna ubona namba. Ngithole mfethu umdaso nyane yabo. Yeah, amapantsula Friday yabona yami ngihalela bayilazy babo bayiphantsula, you understand? Bayiphantsula. If nina ngayichaza yini impantsulo in your own, you understand? Because of yini spam because of umunye umuntu angafika athi abantu amangala abafana basicavini but umuntu ngendlela yakhe because of mina you understand YouTube kanye indlela ngai-explain ngenye indlela ba yini YouTube and amanye ama YouTube angafika athi nah that's not a YouTube.
Mina the way sibona ngakhona nomacala ispantsula like ngathi ukuthi like ispantsula feel isakudala ngithi ispantsula like ukuwe njami personality bakho like ide weqwa ngakhona upantsula ukushaya amadikisi into ezinjalo culture upantsula njalo
yeah sonto nje ube nayo culture funa
ukufika kunabantu abathi umuntu akutshela ukuthi ngiyipantsula mina mara uthi angijive ispantsula akutshela ukuthi angikwazi ukujive ispantsula mara ngiyipantsula pantsula ngokwakhe na
nje you don't have to jive ispantsula because nami
ngipantsula phuna mfakele nje mina ngokwami uGriva akusimi pantsula ngithola ujive ini
ispantsula
angithola
not the normal pantsula
I'm not the normal pantsula no noma singasiviye same XO angithola akusimile la pantsula lela ukuthi manje okay ya amapantsula nanoma ngihambe start shop ngishaya Alaska mawuthi uyabheka phansi yabona okay mana wena
asoli pantsula straight leli ngifuna I feel so okay since senithi ngideshiwe nina nama Alaska what ne dash phakathi so ngifuna ukubuza I have some questions now. We are changing now. We are changing, Kubo. Are you guys dating though?
Yeah, feel, yeah.
Buza maqala.
Mina ngathi anyadila feel.
Shit, are you in a relationship? Are you happy?
Yeah,
we don't need to advise life mention wakho. Don't ever do that. Don't do it. Yeah, nami ngiyachola now. Enja yami. Ithini yakho ithi?
Ramla yajola nje.
Uyajola.
Yeah.
Oh, in love.
Yeah.
100. So ngifuna ukubuza what is the craziest moment? The craziest moment. The moment was like that shit was crazy in life in yakho. I was like, you know what? I will never forget la langa leli. As a pantsula. Yeah. Like maybe kunomuntu afika kuwe wachona something I'm like, hey, or kunomuntu owahlala naye eca kwakhe because of uliphantsula. I was like, damn. I never thought he hasn't diploma now, but because of uphantsula kungibeke la today. You understand?
Yo anja mbabhaya nje Lomile sike sawabona mfitha bo
like into okwenzela kupha i-crazy moment kwenzakala that day yakwenza maybe wakuthola i-call ekseni or kwenzakala osibekele lilanga lonke ba that moment uba yala you know what that moment lela langa kuyilanga mngana
oh enkinga emabhaya nje
your favorite obvious
my favorite
yeah feel ma C2 ne
no maybe obvious maybe wona that langa wathola inkulu wena ukazwa ngathola that big
ngizomenshina le C2 vele yeah feel ngathi into like esingesikhohle empilweni yethu noma cha mesingeke sibe la sikhona ngenxa yesiponsor
yeah
njengoba feel like before kube na yonke into sositholela izinto zethu like sokwazi ukwakha nezindlu zethu ngithola before lezo zinto lezo kuke kaba something novasi ukwazisana nabantu estrade thola nonusa kucava kanti kusasa kunomuntu ukufonela mfethu coast kunento kanje ngifuna ama dancers ayi2 ngithola wona wazabo bani nawo ama agents akhona ayi2 into enjalo because mesinomacala unjaro ngisho yamkena
ngicabanga
une recruitment lakhe bathu bani mafitsotso so umafitsotso lo ucela iqosqosi feel sahlangana naye feel sasipana nawo umuntu wakhona kanti kaba ne-opportunity ukuthi like iskip up silanda yena ngithola some phrase ukuthi azoshaya something nyana abatshela lapha ukuthi nginama dancers ngithola nginama dancers so naso bayi2 ngithola ama twin but labantu laba bafuna ukubabona simangala ngi-DM ku Instagram skip up ngithola sino like siminyile no kwenzakalani skip up ngithola people mafethu uthi bafethi skip up simlanisa nje yeah nasa stick that hayi thunani sona labantu banila bafuna ukuspana ngithola nathi satafela kuna flop lapha ngitshela umacala yasete macala ubonile lapha yeah no like lento le ivele yasiphaphamisa mina noboya sabona ukuthi akuna lento impilo no like feel like no some push as sponsor mara no like no sisabona ukuthi like yabona sponsor singakuthatha sukuse fair
so feel like
la moment la sikho ngesikhohle nje now
the feeling uba DM what
ngesikhohle DM ngiyasho yeah skip up mfethu like lento le skip up afana nokuthi like ngasithatha isibeke yeah so like misasikhohlanga lento
fair so eliphi i-celebrate life no officer ulibona or office ukusebenza nalo wasipana nalo
yeah
mention if unga-mention two or you have two
yeah fede nanamazi indoda enamakhanda amabili Zumu Msholozi uyo umuntu vele mesifuna like ukusipana naye ngithola na ngisho mekangasazi before ngithola mara misibekela ukuthi amarodo nje ngithola and no resmadlisa naye prior to fit simshayelela ama dance challenge mara mesingaka sipana naye like sisafisa ukusipana naye ngithola yeah uzoma urise yeah feel nobani umuntu ngathi ubani man Pastor 929 sisipanile naye ngithola
wabo abantu abenifisa ukusipana nabo nasithuna nabo
Phori nice ke sasipana naye
sipana noPhori
ne Black Diamond kunenini namasesha sebashayela music
no Quest nyana ngizena sipana no
Quest awusipane namagroup
afela 100 wena alabo nawu kule line or khona nawe enye you know what nabe ngangifisa usipana
abaningi ngabasho
yeah sure yeah fede yibo le abashila uzuma ngithola Christmas Pastor makafile khona sike sasipana nawo abo Tyler umntana lo Tyler lo usipana no Tyler
yeah make me sweat
yeah
Niyamazi make me sweat.
Yeah, simshayela music video.
Uyashisa to life. Oh my God.
Angeke usondele kunama bounce nje.
Yos. Kusondela nina yo.
Sispanile la like sispanile nama
Sispanile.
Fair shit. Yebo ngicapha uThailand nipromeka yini or relaxele kasi ngicapha uThailand.
Futhi lelo langa lelo uThailand mengalobani lelo langa. Kuma ubani leli artist leli likhruta angazi. Elapheshe la vibe. Ngelazokala. Ugana. Yeah.
Ni ploma no Ghana.
Shoot me ku music video yabo lelo.
Oh. Nikarana bogana. Shit da fair. Okay, asibele ngini manje kasi understand. Life yashintshe kasi manje sinibone ma TV. Uyabo leyo. Yashintshe life manje kasi sinibone ma TV. Olethe lifila kanjani the moment bafana bami bethu. Bafana bami bayithu base TV no. You understand? Bafana bami bayithu base TV nishintshile life. Nina the first moment uyibone TV ni ithini feeling kana obviously nokushuta abantu tshela banzwe TV but the moment uyibone TV ni ifila kanjani ngapha.
Ayifanayo. It was the best moment that
nakhona le moment le thina sizibona.
Nibona ba
manje bokwethe ile yakathu wale kamafitho uthona. Yeah.
Nibona abantu baye bafitha.
Dala sivela
ma TV manje yithi in fact shame
ngathi ya ngeva ngathi
safanele la mngana. Uthi nibona abantu uboniswa abantu baye fitha ngise TV no.
Because la sivela khona TV bokuyi lento kakhulu China yabo.
Oh, no khulu China nimphethe.
Esispanile mfit nama-artist amabha.
First music
kakhulu China.
Yeah, mara like mesingavela like abantu basinothise eva ogringe var basinothise kule music video le kamafitho.
Kala mafitho.
Yeah, yabona la yipho la siqale khona abantu ukuthi basinothise vele.
Banaba bafana.
Nazi le into analyze.
Yes.
Into analyze. Like Miss Hip nje yabo.
Then hey ba family la ijabulile yonke. Family ayisupport
njalo.
Support. Obvious. So ngifuna sibuye mafethu understand because angifuni sikhohle amanye ama parts yabo le nto bayikusay usiphat sibuyele nguma Durban Pantsula's you know le Pantsula we le group yenu you understand iqala ubani le group ongethi nama first sign iqala ubani aba leader kara abantu abayiqala igroup like you know what ithi siqala igroup kanje na kanje or yena afika seyiqaliwe nafika ngena or nafika yaqala nani
okay ba njamne le group before uba Evan Pantsula's it was Evan Movers. Evan Movers Pantsula's. Ngithola thina ungena kwethu singena file 2017 about that ngithola yazi umuntu bekayiphethe le group le i-group leader Sithabzeni.
Fair.
Sithabzeni usaphethe nayo Sithabzeni ngoba noSikalu Jimara Sithabzeni uye school sure yazi from there mina kuchangeni igama
because manje sekuyi
kube legama le Evan Movers mali change
because ngathi maningi ama company abiza kanjalo
Evan Movers
kumele simchange
Sithabzeni azana ukuthi manje change abizwa nge-Evan Pantsula's.
Okay. At least manje ni happy ngale mpahla ngithi mina. So nani niyazibona ngelinye ilanga nithuna into yenu as what niphuma as nani khula nesimakhona manje. Nesiza le Alex nani learning group.
Khona mfithi intwana sisafuna ukuzikhulisa. The way nathi basikhulisa ngakhona.
Yeah.
Ngeke sithi hayi mina okay sebangikhulisile
100
ngifundisa abanye abantu because zibhaye intwana ezizwakalayo hayi double in nashaya nina ama dance classes yabo. Ngithola ngisafuna ukuba neclass lami. Sibe nendawo nyane eclass ukuthi manje sazi ukuthi okay sifundisa abantu ukujava le ntwana nyane
incane sifike
sifuna ukujava
and sifuna operator
because yabona yazi kasithi kunjani intwana no sizabhema no ngithola intwana nyane incane sibona ngathi manje uclever yabo bayabo thina sifuna ukustopa le nto le intwana encane ukuthi manje zikhule njengathi isikhule ngakhona
banane nikhuliswa amakhonman nani ngamakhonman emehlweni abanye abantu understand kumele ngube le khonman bewedwa futhi mina ube le khonman ubona lesi khonman bakho
njalo
understand khonman ama event aseza more because abantu I feel like a lot of people they hate one ama event way so more events are coming down
ama event kune event ezayo
Soon.
Double Dolly birthday celebration 30 May.
Did me naye post wafethu zwakalani mfethu around Gomora if not around Gomora if yakhona ukuzwakala 14 London. You understand? But ngicabanga ubani maybe nganyusa maybe ni host in a different location or nganye scarce life.
Angithi kwamanje feed ngithola sasekahle
Oh but into ekhula
because lento yakhula sizothi okay masishala maybe sankopano okay ebhekilanga or thingithi hayi ebhekilanga because sifuna home ground yethu sifuna fa e3 square because 3 square home ground
fair
ila sifuna khona ukushama ama big event wethu
mafethu
kancane yazi izinto zihlangana mfethu
I wish
ukuthi manje yikasi kufuneka support la
Alexander
Njama there's no support Njama
asupportana kayifethu Alexander the only way back charge nje kuphela lena hlezi phethe tripod yashuta manje kwenzakalanga
ngokuyazi khona abantu abasincanyayo khona abantu abakuthandayo into yenzayo ngithola lapho nje abaphakamisela so nathi kumele siphakamiselane ezikasi mfethu sisipanisane because manje yazi thina masabo majiva nakakhona abafuna ukuhlula abo double
and ayikhonakala le ise double problem
ngithola sharp okay bangaba blind ngokujive mina ngithola lezi zinto esizenzile
game khona asifane mfethu contact ayifani sibane se1
manje khona hayi ukuthi connect ayifani ngeke uzothi ngenza something bese nofuna ukukhompyutha nami kulento engiyenzayo
thina sifuna ukukhompyutha
asifuna ukuya phambili lona lokho ufuna ukukhompyutha nami mina ngenza imali
sasela ekhaya
ngithola ngenza imali esayitini nje
sibuyele ngara influencer wise TikToker wise awapha ama TikToker maybe i5 engena double kusipana now nasipana trend now 5 TikTokers
ayizinja zethu bafiki nesinabo none emalangeni
afeli to be twins okay
ubani Phesi
afeli
ubani ubani
one pata trend wabona you know what exe winje trend abofezela so fezela machine
fast na umbali la
yes fastra
sisipanela ama crane ngithola
was 5 ne
was 5 no
sisipa
ubani kunomunye uchiri bathonasa ngadwa ku rap academy
afeli 5 why ugele one akekho amagelo bompantsula wathu like Alex
Alexander bakhona abanye buchiri futhi sisipane nabo bakusithi finest sisipana nabo lento yamakhosi
afeli 5 ngithanda sibuza nimibuza any question for me guys because I have questions bro
unenhlekanhle kuwena wenzani ngaphandle kwa
YouTube fit only fans only fans as link in the bio guys like with IG understand so please guys 1 round 10 round bro I'm so cheap in if around Alex 1 round I can give you 5k just one bro it's okay and I love it just I couldn't treat I like to create content you know I just like to create content la ungakho content khona ngifuna ukcreate
sure kunombuzo kumele usibuze wona ukuthi enhle legama le double dolly silithole
yeah ngiyasala but nami ngifuna angithola cause ngifeel ngiyanilahlela understand ngiyanilahlela okay feel asiku question yakho uceda uyibuza i-grand question yakho ngala
ukuthi
i double dolly ngithatha vibe double dolly
double dolly siyicuba ku Scaloch layout grand bafit
yeah content I wish like ngayithola
shoot manje njengoba besijiva shoot uthabang bekafuna ukusivulela i-account e-Instagram ngithola TV and Luvo yabo yena ayivala thina time man lento analiza bo double dolly lento analiza ngithola into analyze abo double dolly yabo shoot kunenye out yakhe nenye yaseKaslaki ngithola bebakhondemana ngithola shoot nazo nabo double dolly yabo ngithola bakhondemana ngithola sinika legama leli double dolly ngithola
okay I feel it. So and ngiyabona as a group ezele khona yaba supporter nama 10 111 you know bafana base police station yabo le nto niyaba supporter le if ngifuna ba i-explain about relationship yenu beside because of ningahlanganisa span but i-relationship beside ispan yeah because of nihlanganisa singahlangana sijabe sonke nigoduke envaye ngekithi understand mase uyocula ngayingena indaba yakho because mina nawe sisihlanganisa yini espanzelo but mangasachuna espanzelo angasayithuna indaba yakho and so i-relationship yenu injalo because niya supportana niya pushana bafethu so ngifuna ukubona ba ngendlela yenu relationship yenu injani the way ukuhamba ngakhona.
Ukurenge varini ama-gents mfethu safrostanana from kudala
Mwana.
umuntu engasho nje kulezi 10-111 umuntu esikhule nawo uRogers diploma yegas vele umuntu esikhule before so jive nathi
from
namanye ama-gents uTsuzini uNeville engeleza naye mina eskelezi hlaseliwe from ePulusho like vele lento liqale kancane then uzwa nje like beside ispan nama-gents sisanokuchila bangangena nanoyi mfethu
chill
relax mfethu isikhuluma so njengoba novele like ama-gents ahlezi
busy push into yabo and as long ukusupportana ngincane makusupportwana
safrostanana fucked up ama-gents
and we same love akekho big
masifika espanini shine one like sa-connect that's why I said like safrostanana.
Fair, we put my dance challenge on TikTok. I think this is the last culture challenge, guys. Understand? Because we tell us mayo and I'm from the podcast and from just understand. Especially we my dance challenge. I'm a dance challenge when what treat kanjani izinto because every time I push challenge iyavaya.
Because it's a much ivane.
Understand?
The challenge azaqhamuka kanjani nje mthina amasosha akhangiva. Ngeke sivuke sithi ebascript dance challenge. Maybe sidlala ingoma njengani kune ilento kune dance challenge ethi uqala into nje le vele besithanda ngayo igazi
ngithola
into nje just mina bengisijayivela ngithola ngisijayivela kuyona lo ngoma unje blind athini athi macala phela lento le yini dance challenge unje blind phela angigaleni ngithi sikuthi baba dance challenge phela ngithi yasho macala ethi ngithola from abantu bayincane wangishala ivideo bayincane abantu ngithola amangisha ifana na le 18 mfethu le 18 ekhali kuphi le 18 fele like
into
sengeni mangazini enhlanhla le 18 like le stala le city le
zonke lezi ayidala lezi
ngithola zonke lezi ayidala siqhamuka kuma road risk madlisa noZonzo mina nokuvela ama-gents as-inspire nje
kakhulu
so lesa stala yise like esabo lesa stala lisi mfethu like idance yabo ngithola so fele thina mina ngithathele ngitshela macala mfethu kunasitala ama-gents ashayayo ngithola thina singayichange lento esenza kube i-dance challenge sayenza yaba i-dance mara singakatholi ingoma slow siyishaya
nisayithula
mara like ngawuza one day man njengoba ku-TikTok man khali ithini man ngayenzayo
njengoba ngisho mina ukuthi i-dance challenge iqhamuke ngani besisihlalele mfethu ngithola sisihlalele estadini khali sispeak ngithola khalani ithini yabo makukhala ithini ukwabona ingoma mayicala fili mayizongena ila steps sokuqala ngithola ukuya mfethu siyabona okay yashaya kwaba nokuthi manje kube ne-fill up in kunomunye umuntu kune-video feel esithanda ngale yakhali kuphi ithini lapho ku-TikTok uzoyibona nje lapha yabo lo mntana lo asho ukuthi besisijavela mina nomacala sisijavela khaya thola sisijavela simangala lo mntana ungisendela uvideo angisendela uvideo ngiyabona to
iviyavaya
TikTok ngipost ku-TikTok yabo manga TikTok ngiyabona sele hamba ngiyabona
same time
ama-viral yani
so lama man-treat ama-dance challenge kanje lama-superstar laba no-treat lama-dance challenge ngingawatshelanga manje ngawa-treat and sesenzeka kuba manje phano le nto takuchuna noleshisayo right now bayanibonga abantu bakhona bakusenjami ngiyayibona into yakho kukhambana or they just think they just keep quiet because I feel like a lot of TikTokers they treat a lot of ama-dance challenge baphusha ingoma zabantu but abantu they don't show respect bayepoizini actually ngencane music video ngithoze bekhona or is it ukuthi bayayibona dance challenge bayichune bona nasebechune music video bachunele bona babiza amanye ama-dance you know what it's a dance challenge izona
thina kuyona leshisayo nale besisijavela nje just
like ama-artist lawa acula le ngoma le ayigcwele ukuthi la le challenge yashisa
as long men recognize Buffett actually you know what understand fed 100 ngithabokhe like asibaniphethe kanjani man okay abantwana abancane abantwana le
athinazi mfethu umlona nawo condemn
abatamvazana
ayazi tshele wacheri mfethu naw ghost
like treatment yabo mfethu yazi you know abagale phela nama superstar mfethu they have to place you guys you understand so many more superstar abagale ba create differently you understand now they started to say you have some
like just crane mfethu
crane they just treat you normal you understand like suba
noma sike endaweni mfethu yazi uGreenville nje makufika endaweni sifuna ukuboniwa abobani abomeli
but
noma ngithi nje ngiyageza ukhisi hamba namajida bathi siyakuphi kuphi so jive kuphi kuphi bathi kuzobe kugcwele in ufuna ukuchaza abobani abomeli
so umbuzo wami ukula ngoba ngisola obakele but the moment uba famous they think you have something
yabona le
yeah so ngifuna ukubona uba i-treatment yena ayichinjanga kanaphi because of the moment uba kubona streaming hayi inemali ne manje broke ngibona next
manje thina mina like uCherry iflag obviously njengoba ngijola mina uCherry ngidila nawe uya-understand uya-understand
yakwazi mo brand yakwazi busipana ngano sipana entertainment imali yakho ingena kanje wena ke lokho khama ke ukela khozala
kuna le kakelo mara mpithi yaza yajola
yeah the tune but angachula I feel like abakeli bayakubhayizisa in a way alahlekisana because of bona baze kuzocoba imali and wenza imali and so you have to feed your family, you know. By the way, I'm dating. I love you, babe, you know. I love you, I really do, babe. Couple content coming soon.
Fela bochira bagrade ngezinye indlela ngithola but yazi abanye imfithu bakuthandela lento yi.
Okay, Fethu, so this is the last question, then we'll close the video, you know. Utholakala on socials.
TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Double Dolly, Eben, bafethu.
Anama account when you active friend with just one
account. Instagram Double Impact. Facebook Double Impact bafethu. Yeah.
Double Impact.
Yeah.
On TikTok, Double
Impact. TikTok is not.
Okay.
Ku-Instagram nguDolly baba, Dolly baba, like ezinje baba baba.
Okay.
U-Facebook
Dolly baba.
Ngu-Double Dolly. Angifuna ukuthi ifane ku-Instagram na Facebook.
I feel. Kabo simthandela abantwana bami beza ngayo simthandile man. And yeah, that was the last thing. I hope guys enjoyed the interview. And after it's not an interview, just chillers. So how much is that question for me, you know? Guys, I'm telling you, like, share, comment, subscribe. More content is all like please go and follow these niggas, bro, and follow me, guys. I understand I'm still a virgin, by the way.
Yeah.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.